Hi, my name is Joshua Davis with Accutemp Services, and today I'm going to talk about a few of the basics of what a normal installation looks like of a heating and air conditioning system. And so behind me you can see that we have the new system that has been installed. This is an electric air handler with electric heat and a heat pump that's outside. And you may be able to hear some of the drilling. Our guys are still finishing up the process. But to be honest, when I sit down with homeowners, so often they ask, how many days will this installation take? How long will it be? Is this going to be 3 to 4 days? And people don't know. And so that's why I wanted to just give a little information on what your average installation will look like. And so typically, we can get an installation done in about 6 to 8 hours, depending on some variables. Naturally, in the peak of the summer, an attic can be 150 degrees. And so if it's 150 degrees, our install crews will need to take a little more breaks so that way they can just keep the energy and continue to do the install. So when it's 150 degrees in your attic, or if you have a very, very tight attic, as you can see, this is a very large attic with plenty of space. And so with space like this, and the temperature is only around 100 or so in the attic space right now, this project will be finished by about 2 o'clock today. So they got here around 7:30, 7:45, and they'll be finished around 2, maybe 3 o'clock today. Again, in the summertime, it can take a little longer. Some of the variables that can be more complex is if we're adding ductwork, replacing all of your ductwork. If we're adding insulation to the system, so we're actually installing the system and we're insulating your entire home in addition to that, we do add more crews to those kind of projects and attempt to get them done in one day. In an average year, we do over 1,000 installations. And in 1,000 installations, only 1 or 2 times per year do we have to actually come back the following day to finish the system. Getting your system operating as soon as possible is our biggest priority when we come in to do a project, and we want to make sure it's done properly. And even with following all of the detailed installation practices that manufacturers recommend for quality installation, we'll be in and out in one day and have you comfortable by the time dinner's ready.